Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. Yet again, we're talking tax. We're talking what I'm calling the tax stamp pimps, the foreign interloping foreigners who have come into Thailand illegally in violation of the restricted occupations and have come here and tried to consult people and say, this is how Thai tax law works. I thought of making this video after reading a recent comment on our channel. Quoting directly, I'm an avid follower of your YouTube videos. You do a great job. I would like to know what you think of, and they talk about another so-called tax advisor here in Thailand. I think they're foreign. I'm not going to name names. I don't care. I don't want to give any of these people any more publicity than they should have. Frankly, I think they should all be arrested. If you're a foreign national, we've done this. We've done the legal analysis. The restricted occupations are clear. They're posted by the Department of Employment. They're posted in English. We've done the analysis. If you are not a Thai national, you should not be advising regarding Thai tax law. Don't know why this is so hard for people to understand here. That said, quoting further, I watched a recently posted video of a meeting that they had with two officials from the tax office. I'd love to know who those were because we've talked to different officials in different tax offices and received correspondence from people who've talked to other tax offices, especially provincial ones. We get all kinds of contradicting things. On top of that, we have not promulgated OECD. We have not changed our underlying tax laws. Yes, there was a memorandum regarding accessibility of inbound funds to Thailand, which changed things as of January 1, 2024, but the underlying tax law has not changed. And I'm not really interested in hearing the interpretive dance of a bunch of bureaucrats whose answer is probably always going to be, oh, you owe us money. You know, that's not the analysis, and that's not the end-all be-all of the analysis. And any Thai bureaucrat who is in league with a foreigner operating in violation of Thai law, I have to seriously ask about what in the heck are you doing? Why are you doing that? You know, I've done the video where I've asked the question. I think it's a valid question. Why should anybody care about Thailand enforcing relevant tax laws if they're not going to enforce relevant laws protecting the professions in this country? Quoting further, it was a train crash with the officials contradicting each other and the host not challenging them. It's not a train crash. Again, I haven't been saying anything differently, and people think I'm like saying, oh, you don't have to pay taxes and blah, blah, blah. I'm not dying on any of those hills. All I've ever said is each individual person's tax liability will be determined by the specific individualized facts in the given case. That's all I've ever said. Anybody that's out there trying to give one-size-fits-all advice is going to run into a train wreck because it's not possible to actually do that. It's nonsensical, simplistic legal thinking. Quoting further, in the end, anyone viewing this would be more confused than ever. Your videos are clear and informative, and as such, I do as you recommend. Well, again, if you want specific, narrowly tailored advisory services regarding taxation, call our firm. Deal with our accountants. You may deal with me if you have certain interaction with certain international tax matters. Again, this is a situation, though, where each individual case is going to be different. I don't understand these people that are eagerly running to the microphone to give one-size-fits-all advice. It's just not the way you do things. It's not how the world works, okay? That's not how tax works. So that being said, I'm hoping with Trump's rejection of OECD and hopefully Thailand will just sort of let that fall by the wayside. We can go on and move forward, and hopefully we'll see some enforcement of our relevant laws regarding the professions here in Thailand. We can also see these foreign tax pimps put in their place, tax stamp pimps, I should say, put in their place and rolled out of town because they should not be providing these services here in the Kingdom of Thailand.